Hi guys, bit of a dark one. Just before 5:30. Just had a call from a lady who she's saying she can't shut her door because there's something wrong with the keep on the frame by the sounds of it. It was a little bit kind of difficult to understand exactly what she meant, to be fair, to begin with. You can't even see me. But yeah, anyway, I'm on my way there, and we will have a look when we get there and see what the job is. Just got to the job, and this is what I'm faced with. So that's got to go in there somehow. There's literally nothing to fix to. All of that fell out. Also going to put repair rows on that because that's right there, it's sitting flush. So as long as the tail piece isn't too short, we're going to slip that repair rose on that as well. Okay, so tidied all that up, chopped it all back here, give me a bit of a flat surface to get some timber on. Try and make something of it. Okay, what we've done here, we've put a block in there, glued it to the timber there and screwed it through there. So we've got another block to go on there next to it. So we'll glue and screw that in, and then we can shape that a little bit. Get some filler all around here. Get the plate back on. Get the key back on. Okay, so that's the second block on. So that's glued. So that one's glued to that and screwed through there. This one's glued to this block and screwed through there into that. So we've got something a bit more substantial to fix to now. So we can get all this chopped out for the keep, and then we can do a bit of filling, a bit of making good, make it look a bit pretty. Right, as you can see, that bit of timber I've just put on is a little bit proud at the top there. It's just rocking, so we're going to have to give that a little bit of a plane up and get that flush first. It's not rocking anymore. That's going all the way through there. Right, so let's mark out this keep. Okay, so that's where our keep's got to sit there. So I'll chop this back out now so that the keep sits flush. Way too baggy. Look at that. So the keeps will go right in there. Okay, that's I'm going to take that off all down there. So I have to remove these screws again, cut that back with the chisel, and then we'll cut that back as well, back to that line there. Let's try again. We'll let that dry for a bit. Get a bit up there. Just got to do this when you're trying to film it as well. Dry for a bit, give it a stand up and then we'll give it a bit more. Right, so as I said at the beginning, I'm going to try and see if I can get one of these repair roses on that. So it shouldn't be sunken like that, but it all depends on the length of the tailpiece going to the back. So I've noticed that they've actually, whoever fitted this has chopped the actual night latch into the door as well. So we'll whip that off and see if we've got enough length on there. We've got loads on there, so that look much nicer with that repair rose on there. We'll get that fitted, we'll wait for the filler to dry. It's the repair rose fitted. I'll let that back on. It's dried yet? Yep. Right, now I can shape that a little bit, give that a sand up, give it another coat. I think I'm going to use decorator's cork down here because I think the 2-pack will go a bit messy on that. Right. Just knocked up a bit more of the filler, so giving this a little bit of a shape up. It's not far off to be fair, so as long as a little bit more still. Get a bit more in that frame there. A little bit down there. Oops. I forget I'm holding the camera sometimes. Hanging up here. Right guys, we are done. So that's the frame mounted there. That's all solid. And a bit of filler on the back. And the rose. Hi guys, that's that one done. Yeah, the frame behind that keep was obliterated. Literally just fell off in my hand. So yeah, scarfed some timber in and got it all looking nice. Just left it down to the lady to make good the painting. I don't get involved in that. I don't mind doing a bit of making good and, you know, a bit of filling and stuff like that, but I normally leave the painting and that to them. So yeah, all done. Cheers guys, thanks again for watching, and you know, please remember to like the video and subscribe, and give me a thumbs up, and remember to hit that notification bell as well, because then you'll get notified when I do another video. Lucky you. Cheers guys, see you soon.